Hello everyone, it's me Gagan Kumar present over here to teach you physics. Let's move to the video. Here today we'll be discussing instrumental error and list count. In the previous three lecture, already we have completed what is unit and dimension, and based on error some MCQ we have seen already. Today we'll be discussing what is instrumental error. So here, first thing we'll understand what is the list count. After that, we'll understand about the two instruments. So one is vernier caliper and one is screw gauge. So first understand what is the list count. The list count is what? The list count is the smallest measurement or smallest value of a physical quantity which can be easily or which can be accurately, measurement or smallest value of measured physical quantity of a measured by an instrument which can be. So for this one, remember what is the list count meaning. Now what is the minimum amount you are able to measure by one instrument, which can be accurately, okay, which can be measurement, suppose, or smallest value you are taking of one scale physical quantity, okay. In this scale, minimum measured by how much you are measuring instrument. So measured by normal scale, that centimeter scale when you are taking, normally we can measure how much up to 1 millimeter, okay. Because if you will see here, suppose here normal scale it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, some centimeter, it will be in centimeter, it will be there, okay, up to 10 centimeter or 15 centimeter, and in between 0 to 1 there will be 10 divisions, small divisions will be there, okay. And that in small division, if you will see one division, it is 1 millimeter. So in a normal scale we can measure 1 millimeter, okay. So that means the list count of normal scale, whatever we are using, centimeter scale or meter scale, so what is the list count? 1 millimeter, okay. And sometimes what will happen, now sometimes we'll have some radius or a diameter of wire or something, we can have 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 millimeter. So this type of things also will be there. Okay, so to measure this type of list count, we need a different instrument. We cannot use our normal scale, okay. So here to measure this type of, this is here 0.1 millimeter means it is less than this 1 millimeter, right? 0.01 millimeter means it is also less than 1 millimeter. So to measure this type of values, list values, so what we need different instrument, okay. So that one already designed by vernier. So we'll see that one. First one is vernier caliper. After that, what we'll see? After we'll see screw gauge or spirometer or micrometer, okay. Now, so first you understand the list count things, and here one more point, remember, sometimes list count, okay, list count is taken as what? Taken as mean absolute error, okay. Suppose sometimes it is mentioned what is mean absolute error, it is already mentioned, okay, or error value. That error value is basically taken as what? List count for certain type of instrument you can take, or for questions you can take, okay. Or basically you can tell error value, okay. So sometimes list count will be what? Mean absolute error or error value of one measurement, that one we can take as list count. Suppose in a question list count is not mentioned, then what you have to take? That mean absolute error if mentioned means mean absolute error will be equal to what? List count. So this idea you should keep in mind. Okay. So this is about list count. So list count means what? List means minimum. Count means counting or measurement, like that one. So minimum measurement you can do by an instrument. So in your question, how they will ask in NEET question, they will ask you find list count of vernier caliper or list count of screw gauge. Like this type of questions will be there. For that one, we need certain formulae. Okay. So I'll tell that one. After that, we'll do some questions previous year also. Okay. So note it down. Okay. Now listen. First thing is list count. We'll find list count of vernier caliper. Vernier caliper. Okay. So what is the list count of vernier caliper? Now here actually first understand what is vernier caliper. So vernier caliper will be like one instrument like this. One main scale is there. Okay. Some schematic diagram I am doing. Remember one main scale will be there. In the main scale, you will have another scale. Will have another scale like this. Okay. So this yellow color is main scale, and above that one more scale is there. This scale is called what? Vernier scale. What scale? Vernier scale. Vernier scale. And this is what? This is your main scale. So two scale will be there. One is vernier scale, one is main scale. Now here what will happen in vernier scale? There will be certain divisions will be there, and in main scale also there will be certain divisions. Okay. Suppose in main scale is normal scale you can consider, like your 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, like that it will be given. So here how the divisions will be, like suppose here 0 starting. Okay, in the main scale it is 0 starting here. Okay, keep inside 0. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after again 6, 7, 8, 9. Another will come here. If it's 0, this one is 1. Like that type of things will happen. Okay. Then after like this, some instrument is there. Okay, some measurement will say the divisions will be there. And the vernier scale also similarly some other divisions will be there. Okay, so here some divisions are like this. Okay, the division count they will give you in question sometimes. Don't worry. So some here some marking is there, here some marking is there. Like this type of instrument is there. What it is? Now one main scale is there. Above main scale, what is there? Vernier scale. Now here first thing is basically you have to find what? Now list count. Now to find list count, first you see what I am taking. As I considered one main scale and I took some divisions, right? So what? That's why I am telling one word here. Main scale. I divided many parts. So I'll tell here main scale division. What I'll tell? Main scale division. What? And that is MSD. What I'll tell? MSD. Main scale division. Yes or no? Because I divided many parts, right? Dividing. So that's why I'm telling main scale division. And another thing I'm telling, vernier scale also similarly I'm dividing so many parts. I'll tell another part here. What it is? Vernier scale division. So what I'll tell vernier scale division? VSD. Okay. If I'll tell 1 MSD means what? 1 main scale division. this much distance here. Okay. Now if I'll tell vernier scale division, then 1 VSD means 1 division, 1 measurement here. 2 VSD means 2 you have to take from this starting point to this one number to third number, like that one. Okay, 2 VSD, like that one you can tell. So one is MSD, one is VSD. This word you should be clear. After that, what will happen? Now here, if you want to find list count, what to find? List count. In the list count, what will happen here? Now 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. What will do always? List count equal to what? 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. This is always correct. List count is always 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Okay. But here they will give some relations actually. What they will give? In the question they will mention 1 MSD how much. In the question they will mention this. Okay, either directly or indirectly they will mention. And also they will mention what? Now here A MSD is equal to B times VSD. Okay, this type of some other thing also they will mention. What is that? Now here whatever total division of this vernier scale, it is coinciding with some divisions of a main scale. So this word will be given. What will be given? Now 20 division of vernier scale is equal to 9 division of main scale. Okay, like this type of some wording will be given. So these two things will be given. After that you can find what? Now list count. Yes or no? Now here MSD they will given. Suppose 1 MSD in the normal scale. Normally if you are taking 1 MSD is how much? Normal scale. 1 MSD is 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter how much centimeter I can write? 0.1 centimeter, because you know what is the relation between centimeter and millimeter? 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, remember this word. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. In a normal scale, we have between 0 to 1 centimeter. Between 0 to, so this is 0, this is 1. Between 0 to 1 centimeter, you have 10 divisions. Okay, that's why 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, and that one division is basically 1 millimeter, and 1 millimeter 0.1 centimeter. Okay. Now in the normally what they'll give, now in our question mostly they'll give this 1 MSD equal to how much millimeter or how much centimeter, indirectly or directly. Second thing, some main scale. Some main scale division is equal to some vernier scale division, some equal, like coincidence, like that type of things they'll mention. Okay. And then after they'll ask what is the list count. So list count is what? 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. One example also I'll give. Now suppose in this particular case, whatever this one I have taken here, in this particular case, if I'll calculate what is the list count, what I should do? Now here I should do this one. See here, particularly for this example, whatever we have taken, I can do my list count is nothing but LC equal to how much? List count will write LC. So tell me what is 1 MSD? 1 MSD minus, I'll write 1 VSD, but I don't know 1 VSD how much. I have to calculate from this relation. See here, A MSD equal to B VSD. I can write B VSD equal to how much? A MSD. Now 1 VSD how much? A by B MSD. A by B MSD. And here what I'll do? I'll substitute. In place of 1 VSD, I'll substitute A by B what? MSD. Now how much I'll get here? 1 minus A by B MSD. Yes or no? Now here what I can write, this one is B minus A by B. LCM I'll take. Then after how much? It is MSD. Okay. And 1 MSD already I know. What 1 MSD? Tell me. 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. So I can substitute here 1 millimeter. Okay. 1 millimeter. Yes or no? So try to understand. If these two things you know, then list count you can calculate. How? Now first you need MSD value here. See here MSD coming. MSD you need in millimeter or centimeter. Second thing you need, what is 1 VSD? What is 1 VSD? That one they'll give some equal or coincidence, they'll tell something like that. Or what they'll tell, 9 MSD is equal to 10 VSD. What they'll tell? 9 MSD equal to 10 VSD. Okay. Actually normal vernier caliper, what you know, what we use in lab, normally once we calculated that the diameter of wire. one copper wire we took, we calculated something, or some steel ball we calculated something like that. When you are calculating what? Wire you calculated in screw gauge. Steel ball and the diameter if you calculate, what will do here? Now here you have to take what? Now this is in centimeter. This is in this is centimeter. Divisions will be in millimeter division, you know. And here normally what will happen? Now this one, this total scale, it will be in centimeter. And here this vernier scale will have only 10 divisions. How many divisions? 10 divisions. And 10 divisions, that means 10 vernier scale division will coincide with the 9 main scale division. What will happen? 10 vernier scale division will coincide with the 9 main scale division. So that one we will consider also. This is normal exactly. But in question they will not ask this. That's why I have taken here B and A. Okay, it is not always that 9 MSD equal to 10 VSD. Not like that. It can have what? Suppose 16 MSD equal to 20 VSD. And always remember this B times VSD, no? That quantity will be more actually always. So okay, right here, because B minus A coming here. Okay, so B will be greater than A. Remember this one. And this number will be 20, this will be 16, or this will be 10, this will be 9, or this will be 10, this will be 8. Okay, this type of things they will ask. Okay, so you just need to remember list count formula and these two things. After that, from here, from this relation, you to find 1 VSD. After that, you substitute here. Then after MSD value, this MSD value you substitute 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. Mostly they will give this. If they change something, instead of 2 millimeter, 1 millimeter, they are telling 2 millimeter, 1 MSD. 1 main scale division is this one, 2 millimeter. Then you have to substitute 2 millimeter. It depends on the questions. But this is the basic idea to calculate the list count of vernier caliper. Clear? Yes or no? Write down. Clear? We go to the next one. Questions will go. Normal question will take normal our vernier caliper thing. Actually, this instrument is not like this. This instrument picture is there. That we can check that one. But here, just to normal you are understanding what is there. One is a main scale or linear scale. One is vernier scale. Okay. And remember, this 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, this total term is also called as what? Is also called as vernier constant. What do you call? Vernier constant. Sometimes they'll ask, instead of list count, they're asking what is vernier constant. So 1 MSD minus 1 VSD you tell. Okay. Yes or no? The list count of vernier caliper, or that is called vernier constant. Completed, ma? Now listen. Now one example here. Example. I'm telling here, in a vernier caliper, okay, 9 right here. In shortcut, right? In a vernier caliper, 9 MSD. What ma? 9 MSD equal to how much? 10 VSD. And 1 centimeter of a men's scale has 10 divisions. How much divisions? 10 divisions. Okay, now the list count of vernier caliper. The list count of vernier caliper. So find here. Which option? Option? How you are telling? Without calculating. See first. So here, see, they're telling 1 centimeter of a men's scale has 10 divisions. That means, see, men's scale division coming. So 10 men's scale division equal to 1 centimeter. 10 men's scale division equal to 1 centimeter. Yes or no? I told you, either directly they will give the previous things what I told. I told 1 MSD equal to 0.1 centimeter. But here what I am asking in terms of language. What? 1 centimeter of men's scale has 10 divisions. That means what you can write here? You can write 10 MSD. 10 men's scale division equal to how much centimeter? 1 centimeter. 1 MSD how much? 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 by 10 centimeter how much? 1 centimeter. So 1 MSD how much coming? Same thing. But I did not gave this one directly. I asked a little like this. Yes or no? You have to understand question correctly. Now next is what? VSD. For VSD I have to take this formula. So 9 MSD how much? 10 VSD. Yes or no? Can I write same thing? 10 VSD equal to what? 9 MSD. A equal to B. I am writing B equal to A. What is there? Right? Similar. So this equal to this equal to that I am writing. Now see. Now 1 VSD how much? 1 VSD. 9 by 10 MSD. Now 1 VSD 9 by 10. What? 1 MSD how much? 0.1 centimeter. So everything will come in centimeter. Tell how much coming this one? 0.09. 0.09 centimeter. So this is your 1 MSD, 1 VSD. What they asked in question, the list count of the vernier caliper is how much? Yes or no? Now tell me, what is the list count formula? List count 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Okay. Always your aim should be to calculate men's scale, 1 men's scale division how much and 1 vernier scale division how much. Okay. That difference will give you list count. Okay. So this one vernier designed in that way so that they are getting, answer will get 0.01 centimeter, which is less than 1 millimeter, right? So less than 1 millimeter you can measure. Clear, ma? What is the answer coming? See here, 0.1 minus 0.09 centimeter. So how much will come here? 0.01 centimeter. A subtraction handle you know or not? Now here, yes or no? What is MSD? By mistake, don't write Mahendra Singh Dhoni under. Okay. So main scale division, and you have to find always where is MSD. Where is MSD? How much value of MSD? 1 MSD how much? Then 1 VSD how much? Like that one. Okay. Now small question you try. I'll give. Now you say me. In a vernier caliper, one MSD is given. How much? 1 MSD is 0.1 centimeter. It is given, or 1 millimeter. It is given like this. Okay. And 8 MSD. I'll do like this. 16 MSD equal to 20 VSD. That means that tell how they'll tell this language. Remember, 20 vernier scale division coincides with tell 16 main scale division. Okay. Yes or no? So like that they will tell. Now the list count you find. The list count of the vernier caliper. The list count of the vernier caliper is how? Hmm? Zero point. Okay, we'll see. Others to calculate. Calculate yourself. Listen. 1 MSD how much? Then you no need to find 1 MSD. Already given, directly given, right? Directly given. No need to find anything, just you need to substitute. but 1 VSD directly not given. So 1 VSD you need to find from here. So what you take? 20 VSD how much? 16 MSD. Then 1 VSD how much? 16 by 20 MSD. Yes or no? Then, and 1 MSD already you know. 1 MSD how much? 0.1 centimeter. Okay. So keep this 1 MSD, keep 0.1 centimeter. Now see here. Here you can take list count how much? 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. 1 MSD how much, ma? Keep that one. We will take common at a time. Minus 20 by 16. Very good. 16 by 20 MSD. Now MSD take common. 1 minus GST. Where GST coming? Here MSD, VSD. But GST bringing where? Okay. Now see here. 20 minus 16 by 20 and 1 MSD how much? 0.1 centimeter. A multiplication division you know or not? Childhood days. Calculate. Okay, how much it is? 4. 20 minus 6 means 4 by 20 into 0.1. Calculate here. 0. How much coming? 0. 0. Like what, yaar? This you cannot tell. Masi, here 2 cancel 4, okay? How much? 2. Now it will be 10 will be there because 20 was there, no? 2 cancel 4, 10 will be there. Now it is 2 by 10 and another what there? 0.1. 0.1 is what? 1 by 10. This is what? 1 by 10. So 2 by 100. 2 by 100 how much? 0.02. 0.02 centimeter how much millimeter tell? 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter. 0.2 millimeter. Okay, 0.2 millimeter. So you can convert here. 0.02 centimeter. 1 centimeter how much millimeter? 10 millimeter. So how much will come here? 0.2 millimeter. Yes or no? Clear? So your answers are given in centimeter, so that's why your answer will be in 0.02 centimeter. Answers can given in millimeter also. Yes or no? So you can do accordingly. Now one 2019 question you do. Okay. Now listen. In NEET 2019, actually it is in Odisha they asked. Because that time they did a 2 times exam. In Odisha 1, All India 1, like that. Because of some, I think what was happening that time, 2019. I forgot. Maybe that. I know something like that. Now listen. Here, what they told, 1 MSD cyclone was there. 1 centimeter. 1 MSD is 1 by n centimeter. It is given in question. And also it is mentioned in a vernier caliper. In a vernier caliper. And here they given n minus 1 MSD. N minus 1 MSD how much? N VSD. It is also given. Now the vernier, the list count. The least count of a vernier caliper is what? Very good. It is not like that Odisha conducted a NEET. On that NT only conducted, but 2 times conducted because of that cycle. Okay. Cyclone you doing? Semi answer. Jyoti Krishna se. दिमाग में घुस रहा है कि नहीं? दिमाग means mind. Is it entering or not? See, n minus 1 MSD how much? N VSD. Now you do your list count. First find otherwise. N VSD how much? N VSD. N minus 1 MSD. Then 1 VSD how much? N minus 1 by n MSD. Yes or no? Now 1 MSD already given. How much it is? 1 centimeter. We'll do this. Now list count how much? 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Now 1 MSD how much? 1 by n centimeter minus 1 VSD how much? Or you can take common also, no reach. 1 minus n minus 1 by n into MSD. Because I substituted here n minus 1 n and MSD taken common. I will check this one. N minus 1 by n. MSD is 1 by n centimeter. 1 MSD I am substituting. N cancel. Okay, and here it will be plus, it will become, because here one bracket will be there. Now check here, it will become 1 by n square. 1 by n square centimeter. 1 by n square centimeter. 1 by n square centimeter means it is your option B. Option B is the correct answer. Yes or no? Simple thing here. In place of 1 VSD, substitute n minus 1 by n. Now take LCM. N take LCM. N will multiply here. Minus will multiply in this bracket. So it is minus n plus 1. N cancel. 1 by n is 1 by n square. Yes or no? Okay. And you see, many times you should not do also this. Directly you can apply this formula. List count apply. This list count equal to, okay. See this value minus this value divided by what? Divided by B value. B value means this one. Okay, VSD value into MSD. Like that one already we have done one formula. Directly you can apply also that. Okay, otherwise you can do this, no risk. Okay, I suggest you do this because it is not taking that much time. You can easily calculate. You calculate 1 VSD, check about 1 MSD already given in question. Then after substitute and get the answer. Yes. Yes or no? Should we go to the next instrument? So this is your vernier caliper. The next is sperometer or screw gauge. Tell me what is the least count formula for vernier caliper? 1 MST minus 1 VST. This least count is also called as vernier constant for the vernier calipers. And if you sometimes least count value is not given, then mean absolute error value you can take as least count value for that instrument, right? And next lesson, write heading right. True. See what is this instrument first. Okay, I'll write instrument here, instrument picture I'll do. So this picture will be like this one. Okay, and one more thing remember here. This is your screw gauge picture, and sperometer if I'll do. Okay, so normal diagram I'm doing, understand. Now what is main scale here? Now remember these all are main scale. This is your main scale, or you can call sometimes linear scale. Main scale or linear scale. And this one is what? This is also same thing. Here it is main scale or linear scale. MS means main scale, like that I'm giving. Now listen, here what is this one? Now this is your circular scale. What scale? Circular scale. And here also it is circular disc. It is also circular scale. Circular disc actually. Scale. It is basically a disc structure. Okay, here it is like circle. Now listen. So here what is happening? Here some reading will be written here, main scale, and some marking will be given on circular scale. In the circular scale, some divisions will be there. So circular scale division what will tell circular scale division, like that one. Similarly, for main scale will tell main scale division. Okay. So here some marking will be there. Some 1 to 100 marking. In the circular scale I'm telling. It is like a disc, like here 1 to 100 marking, circle wise marking will be there with the same interval, like, okay, or like gap. Same gap it will be there. And here what is the 1 to 100, 1 to 50, it will be mentioned in question. How much total division on circular scale. For linear scale, there will be some marking normally. In millimeter, it will be marking will be there. And here, similarly for this also, for main scale marking will be there for circular disc here on this periphery of the circle, okay, on circumference, okay. So marking will be like this. It will be there. Here also, here it will be marking will be like this. Starting from 0 to either 50 or 0 to either 100, like that on circular scale marking will be there. Okay. Now listen, here what we'll do, now here we'll keep one instrument. Okay, we'll keep instrument, we'll measurement will do. But our main idea, what we are not doing lab here, right? We want to understand what is the list count actually. What is the list count? Because in question they will ask a list count only. So first I am writing the formula, how to find list count. Now understand. So list count, direct formula I am writing, understand. List count of screw gauge. What is this one? Now this is here. Pitch divided by total number of divisions. Total number of divisions on circular scale. On circular scale. Yes or no? What is the formula list count? Each divided by total number of divisions on circular scale. Suppose circular scale division is 100, to put here total number is 100. Circular scale division is 50, put total number is 50. But what is this one? What, cricket pitch? Not like that. Now listen. Here what is this one? Now see, when something is what, you know, something is rotating and rotating and traveling. Rotating and traveling. The linear distance it will travel. Suppose it is rotating like this way and traveling. Okay. So in a linear distance it will travel in one rotation. How much linear distance is traveling? That is called what basically? That means what understanding here, if you rotate, suppose you are rotating, it can either go this way, or if you opposite way you are rotating, what will happen? Either it can go this way, right? This can happen, right? Clockwise, anti-clockwise will rotate. Accordingly, it can advances like this. It can go like this way, or it can go forward, or it can go backward. Similarly, for this one, if it will rotate this one, then what will happen? Now this total circular disc will travel either or like what, upward or downward on this main scale. Yes or no? So what they are telling? Now they are telling here P is nothing but distance traveled by circular scale on main scale divided by number of rotations given. So this is your pitch. So this is main formula, list count, and you will get problem here how to find a pitch. So for pitch I am telling here formula, remember, distance traveled by circular scale on main scale divided by number of rotations given. Okay, given to what? Given to circular scale. Okay. Circular scale, this one circular scale. Okay. Suppose in what I am telling, 2 rotation, it is going 1 millimeter. Then distance traveled 1 millimeter divided by number of rotation 2. Suppose I am telling here it is going 5 millimeter for 6 rotation. Then distance traveled 5 millimeter. Sorry, how much I told? 5 millimeter divided by number of rotation given 6. Easy or not? After finding this one, substitute here divided by total number of divisions. Okay, don't be hurry. Always remember for this one, this 2 formula will be there. So what you will do, mistake you will do in exam, you will calculate this one, you will put inside this one, pitch you will put and you will come. You will not dividing number of a division. So always remember, first I told this one you need to find it out, but to find this you need this value, right? So that formula first you find, after that divided by what is the number of divisions given. We'll do NEET previous year, we'll do along with some practice MCQ will do. First to remember formula and do this little picture and understand which is main scale, which is linear scale, circular scale. Okay, and all formula right. Note it down. Right, ma? Semi. Suppose you want to find a pitch here, what formula I can write? From here you want to write. Tell me. Pitch how much? Least count. Very good. Suppose in question sometimes least count they mentioned. Now you want to find pitch. Least count into what? Total number of divisions on circular scale. Yes or no? It is not like that. Pitch, to find the pitch always you have to take distance traveled given or not. It is not like that. Suppose least count given, number of divisions on circular scale given, then no need to use this formula. You can use least count into this one. If they are asking least count and given this type of things, then you can use the speech, you can calculate, you can go for this. Okay. So always check. So here, okay, remember 3 formula, remember, no worries. Okay, you check here. Sometimes least count also given, they are asking pitch. Okay. Now see, NEET 2020 question will check now. Complete ma. NEET 2020 question will check. Write one MCQ. NEET 2020 में अच्छा now listen. Right here they are telling a screw gauge has least count how much? 0.01 millimeter. How much ma? 0.01 millimeter. And there are 50 divisions. You don't play 2020. See here, 50 divisions on circular scale. The pitch of the screw gauge. The pitch is you find. The pitch is how much? Option 0.5 millimeter, 0.25 millimeter, 0.1 millimeter. Okay, 1 millimeter. Point. Right. .25. Just calculated or throwing biscuits? Very good. Tell me, ma. So here no need to do anything, directly given. So solution what you do? Check here. 50 divisions. Least count. This is the least count LC. This is the total number of division. Total division on where? Total division on circular scale. Total division on circular scale. So P is equal to least count into total division on circular scale. Now here how much it is coming? 0.01 into 50 millimeter. How much it is? 0.5. 0.5. Yes or no? Right, next question, right? A spirometer has 100 equal, right? A 100 equal divisions on the periphery of its disk. So what is given actually? Total number of circular scale division. Now one rotation advances the disk by 0.1 centimeter. 0.01 centimeter, right? 0.01 centimeter. Now find the least count. The least count of screw gauge is option A. Spirometer. Okay. Parameter is option A, 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter, 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. Option C, right, 10 to the power minus 6 centimeter. Option D, right, 10 to the power minus 1 centimeter. Right, done. So here pitch is given, right? So you no need to struggle because pitch already given. Pitch already given. Suppose it should have told no 2 rotation advances disk by 0.01 centimeter, then for one rotation you should have calculated. That means 0.01 by 2 you should have done. But here you should do 0.01 by 1. Or basically pitch is for one rotation we define, right? So that's why no need to do anything here. Yes or no? So tell me, what is pitch given? List count, tell. List count equal to 0.01, which is pitch, divided by 100. 100 is what? Total division on circular scale. So this will be 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. This calculation you know or not? So this is 0.01, no, it is 1 by 100. So 1 by 10,000. 1 by 10,000 means what? 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now next listen. So this is the one type of question they can ask you, what is the list count? Another type of question is what? Another type of question they can ask you, what is the total diameter, like that type of things with all other things. What I am telling here, you understand here. What they will tell directly, they will tell what is the diameter of a wire or of a steel ball, okay, or anything like that one. You find in a vernier caliper or screw gauge, like that type of things you have to find. Okay. See, after measurement, they will ask you find the diameter and all, and other things they will be given. See, after measurement from these two devices, after measurement from the two devices, one is vernier caliper, one is screw gauge. After measurement, what we need to do? Now we need to diameter or whatever you want to find, the total reading. The total reading, how to write? Now total reading, how we write here? Now one is for vernier caliper, it is MSR plus VSR. MSR means main scale reading, plus VSR means vernier scale reading, minus 0 error. Okay. Suppose in question it is MSR is given, VSR also given, then minus 0 error. What you have to do? Now 0 error you have to substitute. Suppose 0 error, there are three types actually. One is nil 0 error, that means no 0 error is there, and one is positive 0 error, one is negative 0 error. Suppose positive 0 error is given, you write with positive 0 error sign. If negative 0 error given, negative sign. Okay, that means positive. Suppose I am telling positive 0 error is 0.4. What to do? Now 0.4 you substitute. So it will be MSR plus VSR minus 0.4. Similarly, here total reading if you want to find, what to do? You have to do, one is MSR, one is CSR. What? CSR, then minus 0 error. Okay, remember this. So after measurement you have to do this one. Either you have to find diameter of a wire, or sometimes what? A diameter of what? Of sphere, solid sphere, some small steel ball. This type of thing they can ask. Okay. So here total reading what? Now MSR plus CSR minus 0 error. Here also same, three types will come. In the next class we'll understand how to identify 0 error, how to calculate also zero error, how to take reading from suppose one picture is given. Okay, mostly for JEE and all they ask, JEE main and all they ask, they'll give you total picture of screw gauge or a spirometer or a vernier caliper. From there you have to identify what is the reading actually. So this one we'll see next class. So today just I am telling this formula, remember. Okay, what it is? MSR, VSR minus zero error, total reading what? MSR plus CSR minus zero error. And if you want to find VSR, what is a VSR? Now VSR is vernier coincidence into list count. What it is? What is VSR? Vernier coincidence into list count. Okay. I'll tell what is vernier coincidence. Okay, now see here, you have two scale, right? For a vernier scale, when you are taking now, how many scales you have? Two scales you have, right? Yes or no? One is main scale, one is vernier scale. One is main scale, one is vernier scale in vernier caliper. So what is happening here? Now here, one division of a vernier scale or vernier scale can match with what? One division of main scale. Okay. Suppose main scale is like this. This is some main scale divisions. Now my vernier scale is like this. Okay, my vernier scale is like this. Now suppose here this is matching, right? One green is matching with yellow. Yes or no? Now here what is happening? Now this is this VA, suppose it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here it is suppose 1, 2, 3. Like that one I am telling. Or you tell this way. Or suppose 6, 7, 8 like that. It is something is there like that. Now what is happening here? Now here this line, what vernier coincidence means? Vernier scale number, what number? 7 number. 7 number exactly coinciding with what? One line of the vernier main scale. So that 7 will become what? Vernier coincidence. Vernier coincidence. And already you know about the list count. Yes or no? Already you know about the list count. Yes or no? So this is one idea, remember. Exact everything will take in the next class, will take that one. Okay, another class. Today remember MSR, VSR minus zero error. VSR is what? Vernier coincidence into list count. And CSR, remember what it is? Here circular coincidence. Because here one circular scale is there, right? Here one circular scale there, one main scale is there. Now here there will be some circular scale divisions. Yes or no? About this is the circular scale division. Now see here, that circular scale division red color is matching with one yellow color. Yellow color what? Now that is the reference line of a main scale. Now suppose this number is, suppose I am telling 20. Then this 20 will be circular coincidence. Circular coincidence. Into what? Into list count. Into list count. And after here you can write MSR plus this one minus zero error. Minus zero error. Yes or no? Don't crack in like head here. I'll tell exactly how the instrument is there, how you have to take this and all in another class. Just to remember this. For vernier caliper, this is the thing you have to remember here. Okay, similar type formula coming, but here only vernier coincidence, here it is circular coincidence. Okay, and to finding that zero error, there will be certain formula. Positive zero error, how to find, negative zero error find, I have to discuss that. But today you complete up to this. Yes or no? Okay, so write down up to this one. Semi. What happened? One question will do, will go. Based on whatever we discuss, one question. And remember, MSR, VSR, whatever MSR reading is coming, it should be suppose in centimeter, VSR should be in, and zero error should be in centimeter. Then everything you can add perfectly. So unit should be same. Suppose one in centimeter, one is millimeter. What you have to do? You have to convert millimeter to centimeter or centimeter to millimeter according to your answers, whatever given. Okay. Now one question I'll tell you, try to do this. Okay, you written now everyone? Now see here, Bandana, one student measures, what measures? Diameter of a sphere or steel ball. Diameter of a steel ball. He wants to measure the diameter of the steel ball. Okay. He already taken some measurements. He has taken. What measurement taken? He is measuring by screw gauge. What? By screw gauge. Okay. Now here what they have done? Now they have told here list count. List count is how much given? 0.001 centimeter. How much given ma list count? 0.001 centimeter, and they have given here main scale reading 5 millimeter. How much? And they have given circular coincidence. Circular coincidence 25. What it is? 25. No, circular coincidence only number, division only, no, number only. Okay, see here, in this formula, MSR will be in millimeter or centimeter. List count will be either in millimeter or centimeter, but CC will be a number, 25, 10, because divisions, which I'm telling now, I see, I have a 5 finger. Okay, another, see, this instrument 5 finger, this instrument 3 finger. So this is numbers of 7, 8, 9. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now suppose it is matching like this. Okay, it is matching like this one. Okay. Now which number is matching with what? Here this 7. 7 is matching with 2 of this main scale. That means what matching? One number matching, right? Number is coinciding. Okay. One division is coinciding. So that one you should not take any centimeter or millimeter. Okay. 7 only coinciding, right? 7. List count will give you unit. Because see, if you will this is centimeter, this is centimeter, what it will happen? Centimeter square will happen, right? Multiplication is there now. Okay. Now circular constant is how much? 25. Now zero error they have given. Zero error they have given minus 0.004 centimeter. What given? It is positive zero error or negative zero error? Negative zero error. And you have to put with sign. Yes or no? Now what you find? Now find the correct value of diameter. The correct value of reading. The correct reading of the diameter. Diameter of right here options I'll give. Already formula do you have or not? To whom I'll see? And that one say no answer C. Till now you did not write that. Why? What happened? So this is your NEET 2018. What is coming, ma? So answer is C. See, first of all options you check. Given in centimeter or millimeter? Centimeter. Options are given in centimeter. So our aim to calculate all answers in centimeter. Now here no problem, here no problem, here only problem. Now tell 5 millimeter how much centimeter? 5 millimeter how much centimeter? See, 1 centimeter 10 millimeter. 1 millimeter 1 by 10 centimeter. Whatever coming to your mind, you are telling her. Now say 5 millimeter, 5 into how much? 1 by 10 centimeter. So how much coming total? 0.5 centimeter. Now what is our formula of the diameter calculation and all? Tell. Total reading. Total reading, what formula tell? Total reading for a screw gauge, what? MSR plus CC into LC minus 0 error. And remember, this is 0 error, you have to put with sign. Put with sign. Positive 0 error, positive sign. Negative 0 error, negative sign. Then after this minus, you have to multiply. Now see here. Now here, MSR how much given? 0.5 plus. Now see, your circular coincidence is 25 into list count is 0.001. Then minus 0.004. Put with sign you put. And everything will be in centimeter. Now total reading. Total reading, see. Here it is 0.5 plus. This is how much? 0.025 plus 004 centimeter. Now how much coming total? See, addition you do. 0.529 centimeter. So this is your answer. Yes or no? Answer will be C. Clear? So this is your MSR given, circular coincidence given, 0 error given, LC given. Put get. Okay. Put the value, get the answer. Okay. Thank you all of you. We'll see tomorrow. Okay. So answer is coming 0.5 to 9. 5 for 9, 2 will be there and 0.5 is there. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all of you.